Every student needs to understand the global economy. They need to understand the complex problems that we're all associated with, to be able to look at these problems, diagnose what's happening, and come up with creative and innovative solutions.
This is exactly what Dickinson needs.
So many colleges and universities have business majors. What Dickinson is doing is saying that all of our students, regardless of major, can have the opportunity to learn about the global economy.
So far, I've been able to attend 4 really incredible programs with the Burgess Institute, experiences that usually I would expect to only get post-graduation.
As a first-year student, it's an incredible resume builder.
That goes beyond the classroom. You have site visits to companies owned by Dickinson alums. You have the Finance and Business Network, treks to New York, treks to companies like Morgan Stanley and Google. And so there's all these ways that the Burgess Institute helps.
We've had a lot of different executives in residence and just alumni speakers that have come to speak to us. And every single one of them tells us how they wish they would have had something like this when they were on campus.
And when you really think about it, that's what Dickinson's about. It's about being cutting edge, it's about looking forward, it's about giving our students the opportunity to excel and to be leaders in the world.